Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to actually talk to you about the fundamentals of Python programming. So before going to the advanced Python coding, you need to have some knowledge of fundamentals in Python. So like declaring a variable, or also if conditions, control statements, and also the loops and nested loops. What I have done is I have created some examples and then I have put them in the JPEG format. Like they will be images that will be available to you under the links and the link description that I'm going to share with you. It will be a Google Drive, and I'm going to share it with public, so that particular folder. So you should be able to open it, and then you will be finding some example codes. Along with that, you will also find, I'm also going to share two videos in those examples, so that will actually explain the basics and fundamentals of Python programming. After you complete all of those examples, and then after you can also use those videos, and then later on you can move on to the advanced programming. I would be creating the advanced programming videos, and I'll be posting it onto the channel. And meanwhile you can also try the Python game development program that I put there. And yeah, so the link to the folder is given under the description below, and hope that will be helpful to you. Thank you.